good sunny day, guys, from Bulgaria. We are here next to a reservoir, and now we're capturing the entire wall of the dam here with the DJI Matrice 4E. You can see I am just talking, so I'm doing technically nothing here on the remote controller. The drone is flying 100% autonomously, and I'm just looking and making sure that everything is well and that the drone doesn't crash, which of course I doubt will happen. Okay, so now we are creating an so-called area route. The drone is capturing around 3,500 images because the wall of the dam is quite long, I think 1 kilometer or more. So we have to capture a lot of images and maintain high overlap, 80%, in order to get a nice 3D model after that. Okay, so why is an accurate drone map so important for such a dam wall here? Well, first we have documentation, because the drone, in our case the DJI Matrice 4E, documents the entire material, the entire place, exactly how it is. So when we create the 3D model, we will have an exact digital copy of the area of the asset. We can periodically capture the same data and then track damages and stuff. So that means that you can use the 3D model to assess exactly how the state of the wall here is progressing. Okay, what is happening over the months, over the years. That is very important. Secondly, we have speed, because right now in about 35 minutes, you can see on the remote controller here, the drone is executing the task. In about 35 minutes, we can create a very accurate 3D map of this wall. This is very, very fast compared to other methods of inspection. If you had to do manual inspections, you would probably take photos and stuff, and it could easily take a couple of hours. While now with drones, it is much faster, which means that a team of drone pilots like ours can capture many dams a day practically. Furthermore, we have AI crack detection, because after collecting a lot of photos, we will upload them to a software, and the final result will be a 3D model. On this 3D model, we will after that analyze cracks and damages using AI, which is a very, very powerful technology and is now emerging and proving to be very, very effective and efficient for dam inspections.